Good morning, dear students. Today we will do the book exercise of the rhyme that we have done yesterday. Yesterday we have read the rhyme Puppy and High. In the rhyme we have read about one boy. First of all, this boy met with a man and he asked the man where he is going, and then he gave the answer, down to the village. When man asked, let go with me, he said, no, I will not go with you. In the second paragraph, the boy meet little rabbits who covered with brown fur. So these rabbit asked the boy, let's go with us down the village. Then the boy said, no, I will not go. And in the last, the boy met a puppy and he asked the puppy where the puppy is going, and then puppy said he is going up to the hill to roll and play. Then the boy said, yes, I will come with you, puppy. So why he said yes to the boy? Because he loved to play with puppy and he liked his company very much. That's why without asking, puppy don't ask you will go with me or not, but without asking, the boy said, yes, I will go with you. So this is the rhyme that we have read yesterday, and today we will do the book exercise of the rhyme. First of all, we will revise the question answers. I will send you the pic of question answers, then you can write in your English notebook. You can write the difficult words, whatever you find the difficult words of the rhyme, you will write in your English notebook. Write down the heading first of all, like puppy and I, rhyme. Then you will write difficult words, and here you can write the difficult words, at least 10 to 15 from the book, and then learn the spelling of difficult words. And here we are revising. Where was the man going and why? So answer is, the man was going down the village. Why? To buy some bread. Second one is, where were the rabbits going and why? The rabbits were also going down to the village. Why? To buy some oats. कुछ ओट्स लेने के लिए रैबिट्स भी वहाँ पे जा रहे थे. Then third question is, where was the puppy going and why? The puppy was going up to the hill to roll and play. Who did the child go with and why the child go with the puppy? Because the child loved to play with puppy and he loved the company of the puppy. That's why he went with the puppy. So we are doing the book exercise now. Find from the poem words that rhyme with. Rhyme means the last letter should be same or the pronunciations should be similar. That is called rhyming words. These are very simple, and if you don't pay attention on this, you can cut your marks, and that is very easy one. So just pay attention on rhyming words like day, may. What else we can make the rhyming word? Day, may, say, hey means why should come at the last. Second one is said. So said means said, bread. What else? These we can write. Said, bread, greed. These we can write. Coats, oats, lots. So the pronunciation should be same. Then walking, talking, chalking. These words we can write. Then rewrite these sentence correctly. Here is no apostrophe mark, so how can we count? This is the short form, come with us. So what we have to do, we have to give this mark. That is very important. Without this mark, we can't say this is the short form. If we have this apostrophe mark, then we can calculate, yes, this is the short form. So you will, and where we will put this? apostrophe you, then we will put this. You will come with us, then full stop. Second one is will you come with us? So will you come with us? Then question mark should be there. W will be capital. Just take care of these things. Won't you come with us? So there is no full stop. There is no question mark. First letter is small. There is no apostrophe mark, so that we can understand that we have to write short form. So we have to see all these things. Want, W will be capital. And where will this mark come? After N. Won't you come with us? Then question mark. So this will be called a sentence because first letter is capital. Proper mark is there, whether it is full stop or question mark, whatever the mark will come, we have to put it. We have to see where the short form will come. Then here is collect the pictures of some dog and paste them here with the name of their breed. You can paste the picture of different kind of dogs from any old books. You can cut the pics. Don't buy the new chart and anything else. Either you can cut the picture from the old books or you can draw the pics of the dog. For example, if we say here one breed is Alsatian, so you will write here Alsatian like this, Alsatian, and you can draw this pic. If you can write boxer and you can draw this pic. You can write pug and you can draw the pic. If you have old books and in that book you find the pic, then of course you can cut the pic and you can paste it here and give the name also. So do this activity, do the book exercise, write the difficult words and learn them also.